Shwa Yakimat Bakongsan. आज यूक्रेन उम्मीदवार का पार्टी के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी के G20 हापेजी बाबा का ग्लोबल साउथ के बीच में नमक जीकन आ किंता उम्मीदवार के तना जुमो का इवा पोल लिंगो अलor के जिंजा एक्सीडेंट का निकला जादाक्शन पर ओंबा का लोंग का बंदन नंगे Budget yang ke voice of the People Party who are doing the love sermon to the President of the Second State Convention come General Council. Di kubor ki babnia. Umentri Rangpadu Keri Narendra Modi ula ajeng keren haga jeng lang jong ke G20 Rio de Janeiro Brazil haga pa ula banjur ya ke jeng jong ke Global South. Ula pen pau ki jeng kata ki besniu jong ki jeng yakin at haga pertai. Haka jing penbiang ki marbam, ko umpriang bat ki jing penbiang ki sbo dawai, dah ka bakentu ya ka G20 ban bu hakmat ya ka jing jugitu ki brio ki besong ki besa kini kiri. Ula pen pau ki jing ta bom ya hab jong ki jing ele haka berthai barok away. Menteri ketena jengok kai perthai ba poleng do nin kisngi ula kentat ya ka jing keno alor ka jing ja accident kali. Kebelajar dangshen bat ula ong ba kani ka long ka bum don nongrim bat kete ke jingja kam don jingde lakin no ba ka kali pulet ka basinran ya uti menteri ka blami bandet sha ka tamasa cherry blossom kalatin ra ya ka we kali arshaka hakaba unongnya jong kete ka thuk thuk u hadfil rumbui ula klat no bat we ula mensau uba polling do ula ong ba ka jingyat kali ka bagan thup ya ka kali jong menteri rang ba ka jalaba bat kat tu kat ni ki we pat ki kali Kila sakut namar ke jingbun ki beriu ki beya jasurok.
The convoy led by the CM's convoy was followed first by the car where the CM and his wife had occupied, followed by my car, and there were a few other cars in between, after which the CM's convoy and my car, my security convoy's car was at the back. And we had to stop 5 to 6 times for several minutes because the traffic had come to a complete halt. There was no space for moving forward. Where is the possibility of a hit and run accident in such a situation? I was given to understand that the bike used by this person who succumbed to his injury had come from the wrong side, hit the rear end of my vehicle, and then crossed to the other side and was then hit by another car.
Ka Voice of the People Party kelajit biang yoba Arden Miller basai moit kum President Jongka haka jingelang jongka Second State Convention kam General Council meeting kabla long ha office jongka sing kabahalat kor. Nalor uba basai moit lajit biang ru ye ki kat tu kat ningut ki wei pat kinong lamba kongsan ringkat bet ki kerdan ki jongki. Uba karachen ula syajit kum Vice President MP ke Shillong ba Ricky AJ Singkon kum General Secretary Uba Shembo Rinja kumu Joint Secretary, but nalor kata hakati jingelang lajit ru khat arngut kit khot jong State Executive Committee.
Scam ini Meghalaya party kum jinangalam juga party angin sa nilapet ru ba kaladon kam bandang kop lene bandang pendung susu i khot naki district ki ba player ba kum jinangalam nilapet Perman bah haga jingat lenti kajni yei ke bang ipit ban pendung kum khot jong ka State Executive Committee.
Ka Voice of the People Party ne kasngi kala penshai ba ka State Election Committee ke dei ka bor ba khat do kat kum ka riti penya jong ka seng ban shimrai halor ke jing ai ticket na ka benta ke election ke election KHADC ba JHADC. Unong ay kitingin ka VPP uba bat ke merbo ulaong bakinu kinu ki khot jong ka seng lakmi lenti bakin ko ngo e ki rai jong ka election committee halor ka jing ai ticket Utai unong akitin ke VPP ulapan pau halor ke jengkerpat do UMLE ke North Shillong uba Adelbert nongrum. Badai ban pen kut no ya ke jeng lek siliang khmat ha ke parti ha ke baidai ke jeng ai tiket jong ke parti.
State very frankly that I don't have anything personal against Adelbert Nongrum. He is an honorable MLA of our own party from North Shillong. Or in any organization, including our party, we have to accept the constitution because the constitution is made by the party members themselves. And therefore, any member who wishes to join, or any person who wishes to join the party, and especially those who wish to apply for tickets, whether MBC, MLA, or MP, whether at present or in the future, I would like to request them to read the constitution of the party properly before you join or before you you offer oneself as a party candidate.
Menteri Ketenak Boarding UET Mondal ulapan pau ba kajing Menteri kami ke smart meter ha Meghalaya kan omya chakmat. Lada ki meter kimla ban penbiang ye ki kendon balabu. But Dangshen utai Menteri ulapan pisah syuk-syuk hapok ke revamp distribution sector scheme. Na Ketenak Boarding kenang baniada na kajing ketak ke basniu ye kinong pendon kam boarding. Ula batai baka jenglut bala lap jeng ki smart meter ke kham he shibun. Bat baka jenglut bala pendap on hab ban kit da ke discom ke bedai ke distribution company lani ban pen pai syaki nok thiet.
Ask for a smart meter project. RDSS is having a component for smart meter project. Now our discovered rate is quite high, and either this will be passed to this additional cost will be passed to consumer or to discom. So it will depend after the entire program is implemented. So the difference is a little bit high. Of course, as compared to other northeastern states, we are well placed. It's not that much. That's why we thought that this additional fund, if it is supplemented by the Ministry of Power, it will be a great help to the organization. That was the request.
Da kajing kmi linti jo kajing wan unong ruai bapau na Canada O'Brien Adams ha kashipho trik unok pra ha Jalan Nehru Stadium Shillong. Kasorkar kelap pentikenai ki pajba ba on pen bhai keru kompeniat kali khenang ban pendunai ya kajing thut ha kalek kawan. Menteri Ketenak jengok kai perthai wa polling do ulakam ba kat ba ki jing tai surok ha kanong ba kinang kiu na mar kajing kiu ha kayo ka kon. On persyang ru ban pen bet renti ya kajing pen poi mar ba bat ban pentikenai kajing ya bet ya renti jong ki kali. Da ka pen pau ru ba kasorkar jela katmu ban penlong ya ketika program ka ba klem jing ka bala bat ula ban ru ba ki pat ba ki ba jing ruai jo ka shlong ki yo jing mentoi na kum kini ki concert.
The roads are narrow, buildings are coming up and mushrooming, which again is a sign of the economic growth of the state. For Brian Adams, we certainly will ensure that we minimize inconvenience to the public. In fact, holding of these festivals is primarily to encourage tourist inflow into Meghalaya.
Ya Steve Jerwa ubelong unong job jong ke India's Best Dancer Season 4 lap yang buram kumuklur haka ling swin ke Guwahati ne kesngi. Ki bahaya ngasem kino yalam snong bat kino mi ikmat jong ke Meghalaya Indigenous People Union kila don lang ban ai kuble ya uni unong shat bapau ke jela. Steve ubela job haka jeng kun ke ba ban long ulak duot. La pen kup buram ya u da ke jeng pediang da ke jeng shat tenrai. Labu penlong ke jeng lang ai kuble ke bapura kham hadian Shillong. Hagaba kipat pak kin rakhi ke jeng job ke jeng no sinyang jong u ban kintiu ya kasap jong ke jela ke rinsan jong ke ri parok ko wei. Ka jela Meghalaya kalapan long ya ki program ki babun kum shibanta jong ko All India Cooperative Week ha West KHASI Hills District kabla long ha utirot same Memorial Hall ha kasin ka baningkong ha po ka district. Deputy Registrar jong ki Cooperative Society lingdo ilaong bakari India ka don ya ka jingyo ijngai man penlong kari ka perius pa ha paro kiliang pa day ling pa ki Cooperative Society la ban pen urlong. Kat Bahatura, West Garo Hills, kani ka program kala penlet jengmut ha ka pang basisngi kata ka Women, Youth and Weaker section. Da ka bapinpaw ka jeng don bentalang bat ka jeng pen kupbor ha ki Cooperative. Ka hinyo trap National Youth Movement kala penpaw ka jeng sokya halor ka jeng bam don jong ki doktor ki bapura ha mau hati PHC Ribhoi District. Kani ka jing ujor jing kirong song halor ki jing bambiang ha ka bay day bat ki lat a jing sumar ka HNYM kalai kan duo ya u doktor bani kren halor kini ki jing u presiden ka seng u Donald Mukti u la banjor ya ka jing don kam jing kinong sumar bapura ban penti kena ba kinong song ki yo ya ka jing sumar ka babiang kam tam ha ki jaka ki bejengai
kajang su doktor ila ai ka jing pensyayangi ba kajing bom biang hi kajong ki doktor ki badan hangne ka dei hi nakadau ba ka duna palat kane ka manpower ni ne trelang rengkat bat kini ki doktor hangne da ka ba ni bu ki jing tho sha ka department bat kumjuru sha ki board of district ki bahalor na ka benta bakin le ai ha ka bai de bakane khnang ba ni ka kot ka khia hi kan long ka ba yo haman la ubriu haman la long snong jogane ka dong ka than bat ka jongi
ya ka consultative workshop la penloh ne ka singi hanong ston kani ka workshop ka long ban penlet jengmut ha ka ba ye day ba ka jeng pen bet ya ki jeng jeng ki self help group da ka ba pendon kam yo adhar but what ye ki lat ki lenti bet yo kham bhai ki scheme sarkar ki jing lang bakong san bala shim benta ha kani ka program ki long karu kom pentip yi ki locus SHG jong ka NRLM ka benta jong u adhar ha ka ba pensuk ki jing shakri jong ka sarkar ki jing bentoy ban penyeso yo u adhar bat ki bank account ka jing ta jong u adhar ban yo yi ki scheme sarkar ka butri kam ban pen bhai ka jing pentip jing penya ya ki self help group ka jingya kop siat khanam ka bas shisian shisnem ka balapan long ha ka khatnyo tarik unai weng hamadan pulo kala kutno ha ka jingya kop yasiat bamarwe ikoswels imli na so ararim ila poi ka kerdan ka beningkong kat ba isem phang kharmau plang na lum paring lum so pho bat ikershan borstar kharshiyeng na smith kilayo ka kerdan ka ba ar bat ka balai ha ka jingya kop siat ken hun pat kalat ker hong kalayo ra ya ke jingjob bat ke nong men song kalayo ya kedan ke baar lai shim benta da arspa khat sangut ki nong ya ko ba marwe bat prapwe tli ki ken huan siat kade ke jing lek kai kala pen ke jing pau jo ka jing siat khnam ha ke ni ka than Kalimpong yelek kai football beningkong kari boy Super League football tournament kelas dang menta kesngi hamadan yelek kai football dihar hanong po hakaba kala kring ye kikin huan yelek kai na keleng ke district ya ke di Kalimpong yelek kai bla penya da kari boy district sports association la pli perda da i balajet rani MDC ke nong po Lasdang ya kini Kalimpong da ka jingilak kai hapdeng ka umran dairy sports club bat ka kongri para sports club bat kalakut no da ka jingyak khat ka ba iwei la iwei ha ka ba baro atli kikin honi lek kai la pen i ka jing klan bor ka jongki baro ki don shipotli kikin hon ku be khon ba yo ya ka nam la do ha ka ni ka jingilak ka mentang ini pet ka jing long jaman ka simeneng hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong khandai pon san degree Celsius bakajing shit kalong atpulai pon lai degree Celsius kajing skam ka haw kalong sa pulai na kashis pa akpor minsta basan pulai na kashis pa akpor janmien kasun beneng kala benrang bat kala ru bandon kajing dum o khando ko ba malumala ki kat tu kan ni jaka shwabn poi shu bukut jong thup ko bor ini pe biang sesi ni kimat pakong san Argentine Menteri Rang Padu Keri Narendra Modi ke G20 ha Brazil pin power ke Global South kai ken do jing namar ke jing ken a ha ke perthai ketenat jengok kai ba pol lengdo halor ke jingja aksiden kali ke belajar dangshan berong ba kelong ke bem don nongrim. But jit biang ke Voice of the People Party o Aden Miller basayumon kumu President ke Second State Convention kam General Council. Di perlu ketulah pois buku jang tu kubor singin tak kejan mit. Hadu bedi syam yang berpilih syai kesini kubli pi baro.